Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy by Mujit Dhoka. Respiration in organisms. All living things breathe air to stay alive. Different animals have different organs of breathing. Respiration is the process of producing energy from digested food by the action of oxygen on it. Products of respiration are carbon dioxide and energy. Every living organism needs energy to do work. You need energy to walk, run, eat, study, and even to sleep. Indeed, no work is possible without energy. In the earlier chapters, we have learned that food gives us energy. Merely eating food does not give us energy. All living organisms respire to get energy from food. We breathe in air containing oxygen, which is transported to all parts of the body and to all the cells. This oxygen helps in the breakdown of food and release of energy. This is called respiration. Respiration is of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Types of respiration. Aerobes are living things that respire in the presence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration. The process of breaking down of food like glucose in the presence of oxygen to release a large amount of energy is called aerobic respiration. Carbon dioxide is released as a waste product. Food plus oxygen gives energy plus carbon dioxide plus water. Human beings, most animals and green plants respire aerobically. Aerobic respiration. The process of breaking down of food in the absence of oxygen to release very small amount of energy is called anaerobic respiration. Yeast and bacteria are some organisms that breathe anaerobically. Alcohol and carbon dioxide are the end products of the anaerobic respiration. Food in the absence of oxygen gives energy plus alcohol plus carbon dioxide. In human beings, aerobic respiration takes place for a very short time when our body undergoes vigorous muscular activity during heavy exercise. Due to anaerobic respiration in muscles, lactic acid is produced because of the partial breakdown of glucose. Muscle cramps are caused due to accumulation of this lactic acid. Food in the absence of oxygen gives lactic acid plus energy. A hot water bath or a massage provides relief from muscle cramps as this increases the circulation of blood, thereby increasing the oxygen supplied to these muscles. The oxygen brings about complete breakdown of lactic acid to the carbon dioxide and water. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Yeast respire anaerobically. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Complete breakdown of food into carbon dioxide and water. Large amount of energy is released. Food in presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. Partial breakdown of food into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Small amount of energy is released. Food in presence of no oxygen gives alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.